Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today we are discussing about production of tetracycline. Introduction: Tetracyclines are the class of antibiotic which are chemical substances produced by the microorganisms that are able to kill other microorganisms without being toxic to the person, animal, or plant. Tetracycline are derived directly from bacteria known as a Streptomyces. Tetracyclines were discovered in 1940. Tetracycline according to the duration of action. There are three types of tetracycline produced: short acting, intermediate acting, and long acting. Short acting tetracycline is the half life of 6 to 8 hours, and intermediate acting half life of 12 hours, and long acting tetracycline half life of 16 hours. This is the chemical structure of tetracycline. Mechanism: Tetracycline are specific inhibitor of bacterial protein synthesis. They bind to the 30S ribosomal subunit and thereby prevent the binding of ampicillin, tRNA, and mRNA ribosome complex. And tetracycline also inhibit protein synthesis in the host, but are less likely to reach the concentration required because eukaryotic cells do not have a tetracycline uptake mechanism. Inhibition of protein synthesis by the antibiotics. This is a protein inhibition by the antibiotics in cell. Tetracycline are broad spectrum antibiotics active against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Mechanism of resistance: there are resistance of some kind of three mechanism. Enzymatic mechanism: this is the rarest type of resistance. Acetyl group is the added to the molecule causing inactivation of drug. And second one is the influx resistance: gene encoded a membrane protein that actively pumps tetracycline out of the cells. And third one is the ribosomal protection, which blocking the tetracycline from the binding from the ribosomes. Pharmacokinetic: this is the pharmacokinetic process of the tetracycline production. How to do pharmacokinetic production in a cell, oral absorption in a cell, then how to impaired food through the diluent cations, then how to buffer tetracycline solution are formulated in the intravenous administration. 40 to 80% bound of serum protein. And in production of tetracycline, we are using some sources like we are discussed in a previous lecture. Some carbon sources, some nitrogen sources, which are using in a tetracycline production. Thank you.